In this easy-to-follow, super helpful tutorial, we'll show you how you can get started with Flamelink, a headless CMS for Google's Firebase. We'll walk you through everything you'll need to get started. We'll cover hooking Flamelink up to Firebase and adding your first project. So, let's get started. Sign in to Firebase at firebase.google.com with your Gmail account. Next, you'll need to head over to your Firebase console and click Add Project. Once you've done this, click on Add Firebase to your web app. In the pop-up, click the Copy button to grab the code snippet. Head over to flamelink.io to sign up. Verify your email address and log in to Flamelink. If this is your first project, you'll be presented with the steps to link your first Flamelink project with Firebase. In the application code input, paste the web app code snippet you grabbed from Firebase earlier. Select the I have updated my database rules for this project checkbox. The default Firebase database rules will work fine. However, you can create custom database rules like this. Select the I have updated my storage bucket rules for this project checkbox. Update your storage bucket rules in Firebase to grant Flamelink read and write permission for your media files, including images, videos, PDFs, etc. Here is a sample storage bucket rule that will allow you to add and delete media files within Flamelink. Paste these updated rules into your Storage Rules tab within Firebase and publish. Great work so far. We're almost there. Just a few more steps. Now you'll need to select the I have enabled email/password authentication for this project checkbox. Within Firebase, under the Develop menu, select Authentication and choose the Sign In Method tab. Now select the email/password option at the top of the sign-in provider list. Next, enable this option and click Save. The final step is to add a user for Flamelink to access Firebase. You can use your existing Flamelink credentials or create a new user. This user will be automatically added to the Firebase authentication console and will be the project owner. Now that you have successfully added a project, you can start designing your CMS using the drag-and-drop schema builder. You should be all set to start using Flamelink right now. If you need any assistance, go to flamelink.io/Slack to join Flamelink's Slack community, and our team can jump in to assist. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like our video and share it with other Firebase users you know. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can get all of the helpful tutorials we'll be posting in the future.